Lahore, the vibrant heart of Punjab, Pakistan, is a city where history whispers from ancient walls and modernity bursts forth in bustling bazaars. The city is a living, breathing tapestry of the old and the new, where every corner tells a story. Amidst the urban tapestry lies Samanabad, a neighborhood celebrated for its unique character, a verdant oasis cherished by its residents. This green haven offers a refreshing contrast to the city's fast-paced life. Samanabad's story is one of harmonious coexistence where the pulse of city life beats in sync with the tranquility of nature. Here, the community thrives amidst lush greenery and open spaces. From sprawling parks to tree-lined avenues, Samanabad stands as a testament to the enduring appeal of green spaces in urban environments. These green corridors provide a breath of fresh air and a sense of calm. Founded in the mid-20th century, Samanabad has blossomed into a thriving community. Its mid-century architecture adds a nostalgic charm, blending seamlessly with the natural surroundings. Its growth has been accompanied by thoughtful planning that prioritizes green spaces. These areas are meticulously designed to enhance the quality of life for its residents. These spaces are not mere afterthoughts, but integral to the very fabric of the neighborhood. They are woven into the daily lives of the people, offering a sanctuary from the urban hustle. They offer residents respite from the urban hustle, fostering a sense of community and connection with the natural world. Families and friends gather here, creating memories and enjoying the serene environment. Samanabad's parks are vibrant hubs of social interaction and recreation. They are the beating heart of the community where people of all ages come together to engage in various activities. Join us as we discover why Samanabad is celebrated as Lahore's green oasis. This journey will reveal the essence of a neighborhood where nature and urban life coexist in perfect harmony. Samanabad's green spaces are the lungs of the community, providing essential oxygen and offering a sanctuary from the urban clamor. Among these green havens, Zubaydah Park stands as a true gem. This expansive park, named after the revered Mughal empress, is a sprawling testament to the importance of nature within the urban fabric. Towering trees provide ample shade for leisurely strolls along winding pathways. Families gather on colorful blankets, the air filled with the aroma of freshly prepared food and the sound of children's laughter. Rasul Park, another beloved green space, offers a serene atmosphere with a central pond attracting a variety of birdlife. Benches dot the park's periphery, offering a peaceful vantage point to observe the world go by. Samanabad is dotted with numerous smaller parks, each a miniature oasis offering respite to residents. Samanabad understands that a healthy community is an active community. Alongside its tranquil parks, the neighborhood boasts a range of playgrounds and sports facilities that cater to residents of all ages and interests. Jazz Ground transforms into a hive of activity in the evenings with impromptu cricket matches and spirited games of volleyball. The Samanabad Sports Complex offers dedicated courts for badminton, basketball and tennis, along with a well-equipped gym. The neighborhood's parks are also equipped with playgrounds, ensuring that even the youngest residents have access to opportunities for physical activity and outdoor play. From swings and slides to jungle gyms and monkey bars, these playgrounds are a constant source of joy and laughter. These spaces are not just about physical activity, they are hubs of social interaction, fostering a strong sense of community spirit. Samanabad's commitment to promoting active lifestyles extends beyond designated sports facilities. Samanabad's commitment to greenery extends beyond its parks and playgrounds. Tree-lined avenues weave through the neighborhood, creating a canopy of tranquility that offers respite from the scorching summer sun. These trees play a vital role in mitigating the urban heat island effect, improving air quality and providing habitat for birds and other wildlife. Many homes boast well-maintained gardens, adding splashes of color and fragrance to the urban landscape. The abundance of trees and greenery in Samanabad creates a sense of tranquility that permeates the entire neighborhood. The rustling of leaves, the chirping of birdsong, and the fragrance of blooming flowers contribute to a sense of peace and serenity. Studies have shown that access to green spaces can reduce stress, improve mental well-being, and promote physical activity. In a city like Lahore, where the pace of life can be frenetic, these benefits are invaluable. As Samanabad has grown and evolved, its residents have remained acutely aware of the importance of maintaining environmental harmony. The neighborhood's green spaces play a vital role in mitigating the environmental challenges posed by urbanization. One of the key challenges faced by rapidly growing urban areas is the management of stormwater runoff. Samanabad has addressed this issue through a combination of green infrastructure and traditional drainage systems. The neighborhood's parks and green spaces act as natural sponges, absorbing rainwater and reducing the burden on the city's drainage network. Samanabad's abundant trees act as natural air filters, absorbing pollutants and releasing oxygen. The neighborhood's commitment to green spaces has resulted in significantly improved air quality compared to other areas of Lahore. Maintaining a balance between urban development and the preservation of nature is an ongoing challenge. The name Samanabad is not unique to Lahore. It is a name that resonates across Pakistan, with several other localities sharing this moniker. From the bustling industrial city of Faisalabad to the historic city of Gujranwala and the sprawling metropolis of Karachi, each Samanabad possesses its own unique character. In Faisalabad, green spaces are often found nestled amidst factories and workshops, offering a much-needed respite for the city's hard-working residents. Gujranwala's Samanabad reflects the city's close ties to the land, with green spaces often taking the form of orchards and agricultural fields. Karachi's Samanabad, amidst the concrete jungle, has created pockets of green, transforming rooftops into gardens and utilizing every available space to cultivate plants and flowers. Each Samanabad, despite its unique challenges, showcases the resilience and creativity of its residents. These diverse landscapes highlight the importance of green spaces in urban environments across Pakistan. The relationship between the residents of Samanabad and their green spaces is one of symbiosis, a mutual give and take that benefits both the people and the environment. The community recognizes the importance of these spaces for their physical and mental well-being, and in turn, they take an active role in maintaining and preserving them. Whether it's through gardening, picking up litter, or simply enjoying the beauty of nature, every action contributes to the health of the environment. Morning walks are a cherished ritual for many residents of Samanabad. These walks not only provide physical exercise, but also offer a chance to connect with neighbors and start the day on a positive note. As the sun rises, parks and green spaces come alive with the sound of footsteps and friendly greetings. The early morning atmosphere is filled with a sense of community and well-being. Community organizations play a vital role in preserving and enhancing Samanabad's green spaces. These groups are the backbone of environmental stewardship in the neighborhood. From organizing tree planting drives to conducting cleanup campaigns, these groups work tirelessly to ensure that their neighborhood remains a green and healthy place to live. Their efforts are a testament to the community's commitment to sustainability. The festivals of Eid are times of great joy and celebration in Samanabad. These events bring the community together in a unique way, fostering a sense of unity and shared happiness. The neighborhood's parks and green spaces become venues for community gatherings, with families and friends coming together to share food, exchange gifts, and enjoy the festive atmosphere. These celebrations highlight the importance of communal spaces in enhancing social bonds and cultural traditions. For travelers seeking an authentic taste of Lahore, a visit to Samanabad is a must. This neighborhood is a hidden gem that offers a glimpse into the daily life and culture of the city. This vibrant neighborhood offers a unique blend of traditional charm and modern amenities, all set against a backdrop of lush greenery. The streets are lined with a mix of old and new buildings, creating a picturesque setting for your adventures. The best time to visit Samanabad is during the cooler months from October to March, when the weather is pleasant for exploring the outdoors. During these months, you can enjoy leisurely strolls in the parks and outdoor markets, without the discomfort of the summer heat. Summers in Lahore can be hot and humid, so be prepared for the heat if you are visiting during this time. It's advisable to carry water, wear light clothing, and take breaks in shaded areas to stay comfortable. When it comes to accommodation, Samanabad offers a range of options to suit every budget. Whether you're looking for a luxurious stay or a more budget-friendly option, you'll find something that fits your needs. From comfortable guest houses to modern hotels, you're sure to find a place that meets your needs. Many accommodations offer amenities such as free Wi-Fi, breakfast, and friendly staff to make your stay enjoyable. Many of these accommodations are located within walking distance of the neighborhood's parks and green spaces. This makes it easy to enjoy morning walks or evening strolls in a serene environment. Getting around Samanabad is easy and affordable. The neighborhood is well connected, making it convenient for travelers to explore. Rickshaws and auto rickshaws are readily available, and many areas are also accessible by local bus routes. These modes of transport are not only economical but also offer a chance to experience the local way of life. A visit to Samanabad is an opportunity to experience the true spirit of Lahore. From its bustling streets to its peaceful parks, this neighborhood captures the essence of the city, making it a must-visit for any traveler.